yun, sir?
Dala ninyo ako ng pasalubong na G.I. Joe. At saka Ghostbuster.
Bigat mo, sir.
Yun lang.
Voltron.
Ghostbuster, ah.
Is this your first time in Hong Kong?
Yes, Inspector. Our first time.
If you need any assistance from us, just let me know.
Thank you very much, Inspector.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where can we go shopping?
Shop.
Is there any sale around here?
Don't mind my partner. He's just kidding. Go ahead.
Okay.
No, I'm not kidding.
Sana you ask about the escort girl.
Teka muna. Sigurado ko bang nandito yan sa Hong Kong?